Namaste. I'm Vaibhav from Pinkcity Handicrafts. We take India's rich traditions and craft them into global stories. In today's video, I'm sharing how you can take your local art from Jaipur, Jodhpur, or anywhere in India and export it to the world.
From carved wooden boxes to hand-embroidered textiles, international buyers are seeking what we create right here.
These are the exact products Pinkcity Handicrafts is exporting globally, and they're getting featured in global lifestyle stores.
You don't need a big factory, just authenticity, consistency, and the right packaging. India is known for its art and soul, and it's time your business reflects that globally. At Pinkcity Handicrafts, we're proud to lead the change. Comments Global to get our free export starter checklist. Explore our products. Insert website or WhatsApp link. Follow at Pinkcity Handicrafts on Instagram for export success tips. DM us for partnership or bulk export inquiries.